Welcome all dear students. In this video we are going to see the long answer question on the poem Bangle Sellers written by Sarojini Naidu. Let us have the introduction of this poem first. I read it again. The Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu, lived between 1879 and 1949. Was an Indian political activist and poet. She was the first female Indian governor of Uttar Pradesh in independent India. Songs 1895, The Golden Threshold 1905, The Bird of Time 1912 and The Broken Wing 1917 comprises all the poems of Sarojini Naidu. She became a close associate of Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Mahatma Gandhi during the Indian freedom struggle. Also, she was a good friend of Rabindranath Tagore and Sarla Devi Chaudhary. Bangle Sellers is from her second collection, The Bird of Time. The poem captures the familiar sight of a bangle seller at a fair and the array of colors and designs they carry. The question is here on your screen. Summarize the poem Bangle Sellers. And what you have to write down so far as the answer to this question is before you. Okay. Don't forget to write the introduction of the poem which I read earlier, which I show you in the first slide. You have to keep it in mind and then you have to write it down. Okay. Now let us see the answer or the material that we have to write down in the answer of this question. The Bangle Sellers describes the life of Indian women, the customs and traditions they partake in. The setting of the poem is at a temple fair. The bangle sellers call out people to have a look at their bangles and buy them for their daughters and wives. The sellers are represented in one voice to emphasize that they all have the same goal and purpose. Some of these bangles are for young unmarried maidens' wrist. Wrist म्हणजे मनगट. The bangles are beautiful in color. They are silver, blue, pink, light red and green in color. They look like tender flower buds and fresh leaves. This represents the fact that different colored bangles are worn by women in different phases of their life. Other bangles are bright red, just like the flame of the marriage fire. The red bangles indicate her heart's desire and passion for her new life as a bride and wife. The bangle sellers talk about bangles that are purple and gold flaked grey. These are perfect for middle-aged women. These women have fulfilled their household duties with pride and commitment. The entire poem is a tribute to Indian women and their beauty and grace. It is a celebration of their femininity or female form. It threads various stages of woman's life and into the cultural wealth of India. It also acknowledges the part of bangle sellers in the customs and traditions of India. Okay, so this is what the answer to this long answer question. You have to read it, you have to understand it, and most importantly, you have to write it down in your notebook so as to have the more and more writing practice. Thank you very much.